Finding the right RGB Stream Deck for your child can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options available in 2026. You want a device that not only enhances their gaming experience, but also fuels their creativity. In today's comparison, we'll look at the top 5 RGB Stream Decks tailored for kids, each bringing something unique to the table. Stay tuned to discover which product tops our list and why it could be the perfect gift for your young streamer. Remember, you can check current prices with links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Mini Stream Controller Deck. The Mini Stream Controller Deck is a fantastic entry-level option for kids just starting their streaming journey. Its compact size makes it perfect for small hands, while the vibrant RGB lighting adds a fun visual element that draws kids in. With customizable buttons, youngsters can easily set up their favorite shortcuts for gaming or streaming tasks, enhancing their overall experience. A potential drawback is its limited number of buttons compared to larger models, which may restrict more advanced users. However, for beginners, it's an excellent choice that provides a great blend of functionality and fun. Elgato Stream Deck Mini. The Elgato Stream Deck Mini packs a punch with its 6 customizable buttons, making it an excellent choice for older kids who want to elevate their streaming game. Its sleek design and responsive buttons ensure a seamless gaming experience. Kids can program the deck to switch scenes, control audio, or launch applications with ease, making live streaming a breeze. It's particularly useful for kids who enjoy engaging with their audience in real time. One minor drawback is that it requires software installation, which might be a bit challenging for younger users. Overall, it's a reliable tool that encourages creativity and interaction during gameplay. SOOMFON Stream Controller Studio Control Deck. The SOOMFON Stream Controller Studio Control Deck brings a larger array of programmable buttons to the table, making it ideal for aspiring young professionals. With a total of 15 customizable buttons, kids can handle multiple tasks effortlessly while streaming. Its RGB backlighting can be adjusted to fit any mood, adding a personal touch to their setup. For example, a young gamer can switch between different lighting modes during a live stream to create a dynamic atmosphere. A potential downside is its slightly steeper learning curve, but with some practice, kids will quickly master all its features, turning them into mini broadcasting whizzes. TreasLin Stream Controller Deck with 12 customizable macro. The TreasLin Stream Controller Deck stands out with its 12 customizable macro keys, designed for kids who want to take their gaming to the next level. This deck allows users to set up complex commands with just a single button press, ideal for fast-paced games where every second counts. The engaging RGB backlighting enhances the excitement, and kids can customize it to match their favorite game colors. This Stream Deck is perfect for young gamers looking to impress their friends with their streaming setup. The only minor drawback is that the macros may take a bit of time to set up initially, but the payoff in gameplay efficiency is worth it. Stream Controller Deck. At the top of our list is the Stream Controller Deck, the ultimate choice for kids who are serious about their streaming endeavors. Offering a whopping 15 customizable keys and stunning RGB lighting, this deck provides maximum versatility and creativity. It's perfect for all ages, allowing kids to program their favorite shortcuts for games, streaming software, or even social media interactions. The Stream Controller Deck is designed with a sturdy build, ensuring it can withstand enthusiastic use. A minor issue might be its size, which could take up more desk space. But for serious young streamers, the functionality and aesthetic appeal far outweigh this concern. If you're looking to enhance your child's gaming and streaming experience any of these RGB stream decks could be a perfect fit. From the compact mini stream controller deck to the feature-rich stream controller deck, each option has its strengths. Explore the links below for the best deals and make streaming even more fun for your kids. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.